Well, good morning, guys. John Reese Outdoors here. This morning we are fishing close to home again. I know you guys are like, man, that's all you're doing. Well, when it's going to be as hot as it is here lately, it's just, you know, ain't worth driving somewhere very far. So let me put this thing in the water and I'll tell you where I'm at. This morning, just hitting this little area and maybe going down to the park area. The park is way I'm looking at right now is north. Just keep on going, like basically downstream where it narrows down to the creek. About a half mile up the road is the marina and boat ramp where all the boats are going to be putting in and out at. So I did take the smaller kayak today. Just something about this smaller kayak, man. You get, you know, it's simple, it's easy. It's like a slinky. Fun for boys and girls. There we go, GoPro. Little fat chunk. Not bad. All right, bud, let's get this out of your mouth. That's why I got this little bad boy. Yeah, you knew you wasn't going anywhere, didn't you? I need my other hand, basically. All right, got that one. Give me just a second, bud. Give me just a second. Almost got it. I know. Almost got it, but need my other hand. Yeah, this one's stuck right here in this little curve of it. I don't want to mess its gills up. There we go. All right, guys, nice little chunky. I'm just gonna set him back in the water real quick. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I almost had him on his gills, so I wanted to be extra careful I didn't mess anything up with him. Because like I said, guys, I'm not in the business of hurting fish. There we go. Wait a minute. Hang on, buddy. There we go. All right, guys. A little subtle hit. That was a soft hit for him. Guys, this was the second cast after I got that thing untangled. Little skinny one. But they're hitting still. Yeah, I just got that thing untangled. I threw it to pull me out. And I threw it again, and that was it. Because I just got untangled right here on the right hand side. Alright guys, we are now going on the bridge. Some people call this West Main Street. Most people that's been here call it Gallatin Road. Let me back up real quick, guys. He hit this one twice. Sorry guys, I was heading back to the bridge and just thought I'd fish this area one more time. But that's a thumper. Yeah, I threw it in those weeds right there. So I thought I got stuck up on that. I noticed the line moved away. So I threw it right back there again. And kapow! Dunked my dadgum rod in the water. Fractured 2 vertebrae. So oh, well, almost had him. Sorry about that. All right guys, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Like I said, Old Hickory Lake, Drake's Creek branch area. Like I said, I was just on the I was just north of the bridge from Drake's Creek Park. So guys, happy 4th of July, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. And if you got any comments, just throw them down there. I'll try to answer everything I can. Y'all have a good one.